Find the company's domain and subdomains using a Netcraft. Domains and subdomains are a part of critical network infrastructure for any organization. A company's top level domains and subdomains can provide a much useful information such as organization history, services and products and contact informations. A public website is designed to show the presence of organization on the internet and is available for free access. Here we will extract the company's domain and subdomain using the Netcraft web service. Open the browser and just type netcraft.com. And Netcraft's page appears as shown in our web browser. Click on the menu icon. Here is the go to the resources and go to the research tools. So here was the site report, search DNS, most popular sites, and cyber criminal trends. So go to the site report, view site report. The what's site running page appears to extract information associated with the organizational websites such as the infrastructure, technologies used, subdomains, background, network, etc. Type the target website URL in the text field and click the lookup button as shown in our web browser. So we type the google.com and just we type the example here, paste it here. Okay, so look up. The site report for Netcraft appears containing information related background, network history, hosting history, etc. shown in our web browser. In the network section, click on the website link. So the result will display subdomain of target website along with the net block and operating system information as shown in our web browser. That concludes the demonstration of finding the company's domain and subdomains using the Netcraft tool. The attackers can use the collected list of subdomains, perform web application attacks on the target organizations such as injection attack, brute force attacks, and denial of service attacks. You can also use tools such as the sublister, pen test tools, find the subdomains, etc. to identify the domains and subdomains of any target website.